Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Dear students, today we are going to see some 1 mark, 2 mark and 3 marks questions on the topic probability. And this video will be helpful for your preparation. Okay. Already we have discussed, already we have learned, already we have studied the topic probability. What do you mean by probability? Probability means chances, right? So, for example, rain, it may come, may not come. That means chances are there to come. So, chances are called as probability. So, and we know all the concepts in the probability. So, here we are going to use three terms, that is experiment, random experiment and events. What do you mean by experiment, random experiment and events? That already we know. And just we will see some important concept and important questions related to the topic probability. Okay. So some common terms, wait for a minute, some common terms related to probability. First one is experiment, right? So what do you mean by experiment? Experiment is a situation involving probability that leads to result is called outcomes, right? So outcome, in other words, outcome means it is event only, a possible result of a random experiment. In random experiment, you know all the possible results, but you don't know exact what will happen. Exact result you don't know, but you know all the possible outcomes, right? That is random experiment. Equally likely outcomes, that is all outcomes with equal probability, that we call it as equally likely outcome. Next important concept is the experimental or empirical probability of an event E as T of E is equal to number of trials. This is experimental or empirical probability. Remember, the number of trials in which the event happened divided by total number of trials. The theoretical probability of an event E is written as P of E is defined as the number of outcomes or number of favorable outcomes divided by number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. That means total number of outcomes. Okay, this is the formula, remember. Next one. Complete the following statements. So these questions can be asked in, wait for a minute, wait. Wait. Okay, these questions may be asked in multiple choice questions. Okay, so complete the following statement. Probability of an event E plus probability of event not E. Not E means it is 0. If the event is certain to happen, that is 1. Not happen, that means 0. 1 plus 0, that is 1 only. The probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Such an event is called impossible event. Okay, that is called as impossible event. Next, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is 1 and such an event is called sure event. Such event is called sure event. Next one, the sum of the probability of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to, see, it is greater than or equal to 0 and it is less than or equal to 1. See, it is greater than or equal to 0 and it is less than or equal to 1. Right? Next. So here we'll see one example and such type of questions will be asked for 2 marks, okay, or in 1 mark. So if it is simple, then it can be asked for 1 mark. Otherwise, it is 2 marks and 3 marks questions will come from the probability. Find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. Also find the probability of getting tail. So here you are tossing a coin. That means once you are tossing a coin, so how many outcomes you will get? That is 1 head and 1 tail, right? So random experiment is tossing a coin here. How many times you are tossing? That is only once. So tossing a coin is sample space. Yes means it is sample space. Whatever the outcomes you will get, that set of all outcomes we call it as sample space, and sample space can be denoted by the letter yes. Okay. So here all possible outcomes are head and tail. That is yes. Okay. Now Here what they have asked, find the probability of getting tail, getting tail, right? So getting tail, how many times you are getting tail here? Only one. And how many times you are getting head? That is only one. So probability of getting head and also probability of getting tail. That means how many times you are getting head? Only one. That I will call it as n of a, that is equal to 1, and total number of outcomes, that is 2. So probability of getting a head, that is P of a is equal to n of a divided by n of s, so 1 divided by 2. Like that, getting a tail, that means here also only one tail is there, right? That means n of b is 1. So number of probability of getting a tail, that is P of b is equal to n of b divided by n of s, that is 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now, a box contains 3 blue and 2 white. Such type of questions was asked in previous year examinations. Okay. And also this question was asked in which question paper? That is model question paper. Okay. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. If a marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be white, blue and red? So total number of marbles. How many marbles are there in the box? Okay. So here 3 blue marbles plus 2 white marbles plus 4 red marbles. That means 3 plus 2 plus 4. So 6 plus 3, that is 9. 9 is the total number of outcomes, that is n of s. Now probability of getting white marble. How many white marbles are there? 2 white marbles are there. That I will call it as n of w. Okay, that is 2. Probability of getting white marble, P of w is equal to n of w divided by n of s. Okay, so n of w is 2 divided by n of s is 9. So 2 by 9 is the probability of getting white marble. The probability of getting white blue. So here not white, it is only blue. Okay. Probability of getting blue marbles. So how many blue marbles are there? That is 3. 3 means this is n of b. Okay. So probability of getting blue marbles, P of b is equal to n of b divided by n of s. That is favorable number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So that is 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. That means 1 by 3 is the probability of getting blue marbles. 1 by 3. Next, probability of getting red marbles. How many red marbles are there? 4 red marbles are there. I will call it as n of r, that is 4. So probability means P of r I will call, that is n of r, that is favorable number of outcome divided by total number of outcomes. 4 divided by 9 is the probability of getting red marble. Next, a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. So this word is very important. Only. Okay. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy, a lemon flavored candy? See, a bag contains only lemon flavored candy. That means there is no orange flavor candy. That means here event is not happening. So event cannot happen. That means event cannot happen means that is probability of an event is 0. Since the bag contains only lemon flavor, there are therefore number of orange flavor candies are 0 here. So probability of taking out orange flavor candy is 0 divided by 1, that is 0. Bag contain only lemon flavored candies. Probability of taking lemon flavored candies that is 1 divided by 1, that is 4. Next. So this question will ask for 2 marks. Okay. It is given that in a group of students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have same birthday? Not same birthday. That means not having same birthday is 0.992. And what is the probability that 2 students have same birthday? What we need to find out. So let E be the event of having same birthday. P of E is equal to 0.992. So P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. So 1 minus P of E. Okay. P of E. P of E means having same birthday. P of not E means 1 minus P of not E. That I will take it as P of E bar. That is 1 minus P of E. 1 minus P of E is 1 minus 0.992. So 1 minus 0.992 is 0.008. Therefore, the probability that the two students have same birthday is 0.008. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and an odd number. Here one die is there that we are throwing. That means die is thrown once. One die anna ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ throw ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. How many faces it has? It has 6 faces. So each face has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So possible number of events on throwing a die is that is 6, right? So this is total number of outcomes that I will take it as n of s. Number of dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So first what they have asked, find the probability of getting a prime number. So between 1 to 6, how many prime numbers you will get? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number. That means total 3 prime numbers you will get. So favorable number of events, that is 3. So this I will take it as n of a. So probability that it will be a prime number. So P of B is, P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. So n of A value is 3 divided by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. That means 1 divided by 2 is the probability of getting prime number. Next, a numbers lying between 2 and 6. 2 and 6 means 3, 4, 5. Again you are having, again you will get 3 numbers. So favorable number of events, that is 3. Here also, this is n of B. Okay, the probability of number between 2 and 6, that is n of B divided by n of S. Here also, n of B is 3 and n of S is 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are, so 1 divided by 2. Odd numbers. Odd numbers, how many odd numbers are there here? 1, 3, 5, right? So again, you will get 3. So favorable number of events, 3. Here also, probability that it will be an odd number, 3 divided by 6, that is 1 divided by 2. It's easy. Yes, so this question will be asked for 2 marks. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out from the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? Okay, so total number of marbles in a box, that is 5 red, 8 white, and 4 green marbles, right? That is 8 plus 2, that is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. This is n of S, the total number of outcomes. So first one, number of red marbles. So number of, how many red marbles are there? 5. That means number of red marbles, n of A is equal to 5. Probability of taking out red marbles, P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. N of A is 5, n of S is 17. So n of 5 divided by 17 is the probability of taking red marbles. Next, white marbles. So number of white marbles, that is n of B is equal to 8 marbles are there. So probability of taking out white marbles, that is P of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S. 8 divided by 17, right? Next, number of green marbles. Here they have asked not green. In order to find out the not green marbles, first we should find out the number of green marbles. Number of green marbles, that is n of C is equal to 4 marbles. How many green marbles are there? 4 marbles are there. That I will consider it as n of C. So probability of taking out green marbles, P of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S. N of C is 4, n of S is 17. Okay. That means 4 divided by 17 is the probability of getting green marbles. Not green means 1 minus P of C. Right? So 1 minus P of C is 4 divided by 17. 17 is the LCM. So 17 minus 4 divided by 17, that is 13 divided by 17 is the probability of taking not green marbles. Right? A game of chance consists of a spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you can see in this figure. And these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at 8, an odd number, a number greater than 2, a number less than 9. Okay, so here spinning arrow is there, and when you are rotating this wheel, it will rest at one point. Okay. Now we need to find out the probability that it will point at 8, right? And an odd number, a number greater than 2, and a number less than 9. Now, so number of possible outcomes. Okay. the total number of outcomes. How many outcomes we will get? That is number 8. 1 to 8 means 8 outcomes you will get. So total number of outcomes, that is 8. This is n of s. N of s. First one, at point 8, possible chances that an arrow pointing at point 8, that is only one number is there, so only one chance is there, only one chances are there to point at 8. That means 1, I will consider it as n of 8. So probability of pointing at 8, that is n of 8 divided by n of s. Divided by n of s. So n of a is 1 divided by 8, right? So this is the probability of pointing at 8. Chances of pointing an odd number. So here, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 3, 5, and 7, right? So total number of odd numbers are 4. That I will consider it as n of b. So probability of pointing an odd number, n of b divided by n of s. So 4 divided by 8, that is 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 1 divided by 2. Next, chances of pointing a number greater than 2. Greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These all numbers are greater than 2. So how many numbers are there? That is 6 numbers are there. So probability of pointing a number greater than 2. So this I will consider it as n of c. So probability, that means P of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S. So n of C is 6, n of S is 8. 3 is a 2 4s are, right? So probability of pointing a number greater than 2, that is 3 by 4. Next one. Chances of pointing less than 9. So less than 9 means all numbers are less than 9 only. 1 to 8, all numbers are less than 9. So 1 to 8 means 8 numbers, so chances of pointing less than 9 are 8 numbers, that is n of d. So probability of pointing a number less than 9, that is n of d divided by n of s. So n of d is 8 divided by 8, that is 1. Right? And such type of questions will be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay. Next, 12 defective pens are there. Okay. So 12 defective pens accidentally mixed with 132 good one. Is it possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective? One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is good one. Okay. So number of defective pens. How many defective pens are there? 12 defective pens are there. So good pens 132. So total number of pens 132 good pen plus 12 defective pen, 144 pens are there. So favorable number of events, that means good pen we want, right? So number of good pens are 132. So probability of getting good pen 132 divided by total number of pens, that is 144. If I cancel it, then 2 sevens are 2 twos are 2 6 are 2 6 are. So 3 twos are 3 fours are 2s are 2s. So 1 1 1 2. That means 11 divided by 12 you will get. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number, a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5. Here, how many discs are there total? 90. That means total number of discs in of S is 90. Number of favorable event. So first we want 2-digit number. So 2-digit means 90 minus 9, because 1 to 9 are all 1-digit numbers. So if 90 minus 9 is 81. Therefore, total number of favorable events 81. So this is n of a. The probability that it bears a 2-digit number, that is n of a divided by n of s, 81 divided by 90. So 1s are 9 1s are 9 9s are. So 9 divided by 10. Perfect square number. So between 1 to 90, how many perfect square numbers you will get? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and 81. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there. So favorable number of events, that is 9. Probability of getting a perfect square number. So n of b divided by n of s. 9 divided by 90, that is 1 divided by 10. Numbers which are divisible by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So how many numbers you will get? That numbers are divisible by 5. That is 18 numbers. So probability of getting a number divisible by 5 are 18 divided by 90. That is 910, 9 twos are. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So 1 divided by 5 is the probability of getting a number divisible by 5. Understood? Next one. A game consists of a tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result, that is 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. So event that can happen when you are tossing 3 coins, how many outcomes you will get? So HHS, that is head, 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 and head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, and head, tail, and tail, head, tail, right? And tail, tail. So total number of events, that is 8. Hanif will lose the game if he gets head, tail, and means if he wins. When he will wins when all the outcomes are same. That means head, and tail, tail. In only 2 situations he will win the game. Otherwise he will lose the game. So HHT, head, tail, head, and THH, TTH, that is head, tail, head, and THTT, THT. So favorable number of events, that is 6. Okay, so probability of losing the game, that is 6 by 8. So 6 by 8 is 2 threes are 2 fours are. So probability of winning the game. So in only 2 situations he will win. So 2 divided by 8, that is 1 divided by 4. Remember. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color face card, a red face card, and jack of heart, spade, and queen of diamond. Okay. So here, first we need to know how many cards are there. So example set of 52 poker playing cards. So have you observed? Have you seen these cards? Yes, here 4 sets are there. That means each set has 13 cards. So 13, 13, 13, 13. That means 52 total number of cards are there. In that, in each set of cards, 3 face cards will come. Okay. So Jack, Queen, and King. This we will call it as a face cards. In each set, 3 face cards are there. That means total number of face cards are 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 cards are 12 face cards are there. And AA. So AA, here you are observing. Yes. So total number of cards, N of S is 52. Number of king of red cards. So king of red colors, that means king of red colors. 2 sets are there. That is king of red cards means 1 and 2. So 2 cards are king cards. So 2 divided by 52. That is N of A divided by N of S. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2, 6 are. That is 1 divided by 26. Number of face cards. So how many face cards are there? Already I have told you 12 face cards are there. So this is N of B. Again, probability of getting a face cards, that is N of B divided by N of S, 12 divided by 52. This is 3 divided by 30. Number of red face cards. So how many red face cards you will get? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means 6 face cards are there. So probability of getting a king of red color, that is 6 divided by 52. Here also it is 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 6 are. So 3 divided by 26. Next, number of jack of heart. So in heart, this is a heart. How many jack cards you will get? Only one. That is n of C. N of D I will call it as. So N of D divided by N of S. That is 1 divided by 52 is the probability of getting king red. Next, number of king of spades. So spade means this is spades. So king, how many kings it has? Only one. That is 1 divided by 52 is the number of kings. Sorry, one minute. Spade cards, not king cards. So spade cards, only spade cards. Okay, if I consider king, that is 1 divided by 52. Only one king is there. If I consider spade cards, how many spade cards are there? 13 spades. So see here, 13 spade cards are there. So 13 divided by 52. Right, 13 ones are, 13 fours are. That means 1 divided by 4 is the probability. Number of queens of diamond. So how many queens you have in the diamond cards? So this is diamond, only one queen is there. Therefore 1 divided by 52 is the probability of having queen card. Okay. Yes. So today I have solved some 1 mark and 2 marks questions. I hope this video will be helpful for your preparation for the final board exam. Okay. So prepare well. All the very best. Thank you. Thank you so much.